Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my blind box toki figurines and I'm really excited. I don't know all their names. I'm just gonna make that clear. I don't know all their names, but that's okay. I'm just gonna be like showing you them and doing an ASMR video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. My name is Julia. Please remember to subscribe, like all my videos, and follow me on social media. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, the first one I'm going to be showing you is my SpongeBob X Toki collection. I really like this one. They're so cute and I just love the SpongeBob collab. I'm so glad Toki collabed with them. This one it's like a sponge pony. I'll give you a close up on all of them, on all these guys. Then we've got SpongeBob here, and he's got like a bunch of stuff on him. I don't know what that is. Then we've got SpongeBob riding a pony, a sea pony, right here. Jesus Christ, how many times am I gonna drop these things? I'm glad they're just plastic. And then I've got Squidward on this like donut bike thing. So cute. Next we've got this collection. I'm not really sure what collection this is, but this is like an electric pony. She's got like cool electricity maybe coming from her back, and yeah, a bunch of cool designs all over her. And then we've got this guy. He's a little robot bear thing, and my favorite part about him are his little shoes. They're so cute. They're like two little blue and pink bear combo things. So cute. Next we've got this pirate pony. He's got a little pirate ship on top of his head. So cute. I love all the details. A little bird on his tail. It's adorable. Lovey, I think that's her name. I don't know for sure, but she's my absolute favorite prized possession pony right here because she's just so cute. She's like a little doctor. She's got a cup of water and a pill on her back. Are you kidding me? It's so cute. I like how her hair is clear and her little bag and her medical ID. She's a Pegasus pony. Adorable. Next, I have this one. She's really cool. Just a little pink sea pony. Not really much to her. I like her hair the most. It's really cute. Yeah. Orange and pink color scheme is really cute. And next we've got like a Mozart pony. She's like into classical music, and she's got a really cool piano music headpiece, and it also has a guitar thing on it, like the top of not a guitar. This one probably is for like a cello or a violin or something. There's also like a flute, a whole bunch of stuff. It's really cool, really detailed. She's not like, she's not my favorite in aesthetic wise, but like uniqueness, she's really cool. And I've got a double of these blueberry pie pony things. They're really cute, but I'm just mad that I got two of them. So I don't like her very much. Just for that reason. Oh my god, I think my roll was showing this whole time. And I'm gonna want to keep the video, so that's cool. Don't look at my roll, please. Ooh. Next, we've got Hawaiian snow cone pony or shaved ice pony. She's really beautiful. She's got a lot of colors. She's a double too. I don't have the double with me, but another reason why I kind of hate her. Next, my absolute favorite, are these Sanrio ponies. I have Pom Pom Purin, I've got Bats Maru, and I've got, I don't remember if this is Kiki or what, but I've got one of them right here. So yeah, that is my entire Toki Doki collection. I hope you enjoyed. I know I did. Please remember to subscribe and like this video because it really helps me out. And if you want more of me, you can follow me on my social medias, which will be linked down below. Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.